Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing initial issue, bonus issue, and right issue in the Indian stock market. Let's start by explaining what an initial issue is. An initial issue is the very first sale of stock by a company to the public. It typically happens when a company decides to go public through an IPO or initial public offering. During an initial issue, the company raises capital by selling shares to the public at a fixed price. Now, let's move on to bonus issues. A bonus issue is when a company issues additional shares to its existing shareholders, free of charge, as a reward for their investments. This means that shareholders receive additional shares in proportion to their existing holdings. The purpose of a bonus issue is to increase liquidity and make the company's shares more affordable for retail investors. Lastly, let's discuss right issues in the Indian stock market. A right issue is when a company offers additional shares to its existing shareholders at a discounted price. The shareholders have the right, but not the obligation, to subscribe to the new shares in proportion to their existing holdings. The proceeds from a right issue are used by the company to fund new projects, repay debt, or for general corporate purposes. Now, let's look at some key examples to better understand these concepts. Reliance Industries' initial issue in 1977 made it the first company to go public in India, raising a significant amount of capital. Hindustan Unilever's bonus issue in 2010 saw shareholders receive one bonus share for every two existing shares they held. Tata Motors' right issue in 2015 offered additional shares at a discounted price of Rs. 300 per share to its existing shareholders. Now, let's talk about how you can earn through these stock market offerings. During an initial issue, you can invest in a company's shares at an early stage and potentially benefit from price appreciation when the stock begins trading. With bonus issues, you receive additional shares for free, which can increase your overall holdings and potential gains. During a right issue, you have the opportunity to purchase additional shares at a discounted price, allowing for potential profit if the stock price rises. These offerings provide opportunities for both short-term and long-term investors to earn in the Indian stock market. That's all for today's video on initial issue, bonus issue, and right issue in the Indian stock market. Stay tuned for more informative content. For more such videos, please follow us.